In this video, I'm going to teach you how to increase video quality in CapCut for free. In order to do that, you can actually use the free quality enhancer of CapCut. So to do this, head over and click on your video clip right here into your project. So once you have clicked on your clip on your timeline, you just need to get over to the right hand panel and open the video option and choose the basic tab. So once it's been chosen, the next thing you need to do is to just locate the enhanced quality option. You can see this enhanced quality. You can head over and show it. As you can see, we have around 3 uses left for today. You can click on this right here in order to show this. Click on allow and you can choose the level for this. You can use HD, UHD, or AIHD. So as you can see, I have actually chosen HD and you can see that it's actually enhancing the quality right now. So you can just wait for this to finish, and once you have done that, you should be able to see a more HD appearance of your video. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.